I am hoping this is the last Bodywork video, and the next time we see the car, we're at the paint booth. Hey guys, look, I got the color. Here's all the different colors that will make up the classic color. That's about all I'm gonna show you. There's your hint. You can try to figure out what it is from there. But the car is basically in 400 at this point. Etching primer is in the areas where Bondo and metal were appearing. The nose is now sanded. Well, the nose is over there. It's going into 220 right now, but the rest of the vehicle is sanded for the most part. We got the hood back off. Craig is going at it. The last time we were up, as you saw, my kids and I were doing the interior. So the interior is all done and sanded. I mean, the car body-wise it's done. Bodywork is complete. You can see the lines. It's hard to tell because there's still like multiple colors. Trying to get but everything's looking good. So now we just got to blow the car apart and finish this. So the firewall needs to be done and the nose finished. Looking good. There you go. The nose is looking really good. He just put another coat on there. He's been working at it. Some body filler and whatnot, taking it down, all the feather fill and everything, but the nose is looking really good. Shiny. Jerk. Craig, what am I gonna do without my weekend getaways up here? I'm gonna have to drive the car up here when it's done.
Go rabbit hunting when you're done.
We'll go rabbit hunting. Kill more squirrels.
Come on, Elmer, you're gonna get your gun back?
Yeah, Elmer doesn't have a gun anymore.
I know.
Sad.
You gotta get Elmer's gun back. That's good.
But I mean, I've said it probably 1,000 times throughout the videos, but huge shout out to Craig for putting his back into it instead of mine. You know, Craig has been an animal at this project. I've done next to nothing in comparison to what this man has done in regards to sanding and body work and all that stuff. And Heath, with all of his welding genius and his secrets, still hiding from us. But I mean, you can see the gaps are looking good, the body's looking good, everything's just looking good.
Time for paint. Get this pig out of here.
Right? That's what I've been saying. It's not my fault you guys have been hanging out doing other stuff the last couple weeks.
Well, we gotta go fishing.
Yeah, well, that was yesterday. You guys are good. No, these guys have been kicking butt. So I'm gonna walk you through some of the things that we're gonna be doing in paint. So obviously I have the paint card. I know what color. I'm not showing you the color in this video. But as far as the engine bay goes, the front fender panels will be body color. The inside of the engine's all gonna be black. The fenders, all that stuff, black. The cowl's gonna be black. The package tray in the back is gonna be black. And then obviously the inside of the panels here will be black and all the rest will be body color. So the mirrors, we're gonna do black. I was gonna do carbon fiber mirrors, but I think they'll look fine in black with the carbon fiber spoiler, the carbon fiber hood, the carbon fiber headlight wraps and all that stuff. Still gotta figure out what color we're doing the chrome, because right now we have a chrome bumper, chrome bumperettes, chrome door handles. I'm not leaving those chrome, so we gotta either paint them or have them redone or figure out something. So that's next on my list to do, but we don't really have to worry about that stuff because we're not putting it on the car for a while. Then we have the wheels. Why are wheels such a nightmare to choose? Wheels are a nightmare to pick.
Well, you'll probably get some pedantic on the wheel.
No. I'm not gonna have a mic.
Some spinners.
I'm not gonna have a bow tie britches car.
Some spinners.
Spinners. No. No.
Gold anodized spinners.
Gold anodized.
Yeah!
Etched.
Get a gold tooth to match it.
Get my teeth. My teeth. Oh. You know, back in, when was it when we first set?
That's gonna be only LS7 with cherry bomb exhaust.
Right. When was it when we sat down and talked about this project? Was it like October, November time frame last year? A little while. I mean, obviously we got the car in March of 19, and we didn't really start working on it though till November. So we're 8 months in. It's not bad.
Cowboys to the rescue.
It's not bad. I mean, I'm hoping to have the car finished by October. That's the hope. We'll see. What do you think, Craig? Do you think we'll get there?
What year?
2027.
You know what? I don't see, if you work hard on it, I don't see where you can't put it back together by the time.
Well, I think the interior could be put together in a couple weeks. Well, I don't know about that. I don't know where everything goes. And I still have to have someone do the headliner. There's a lot of work in here. On my workbench right now, I have the whole dash, all the parts and pieces. I'm starting to assemble it. I'm going through, and I have the OER set up, and I have the, was it National Parts Depot, NPD dash. So I heard stories between the two different options on which one's better. So we're gonna find out which one's fits better. I have a feeling the OER one's not gonna win. We'll see. That's coming. Well, we're feeling good about the sanding at this point. It's time to blow her apart. Okay guys, we have blown apart the car. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a day we've been working. Ah! I'm gonna break my fender. So we got all the parts. I almost tripped on this freaking metal bar. So we got all the parts and pieces laid out right now. Basically, we have to clean up the back sides and the edges where glazing and whatnot fell in. We're gonna clean up all the door jambs and everything like that, but we're getting her ready to bring down to paint. Oh, the last thing to do is really touching up the cowl and finishing the firewall, and that's about it. And then we're pulling the trunk right now. So holy crap, I can't believe we're at this point. So now we get to clean up the shop of all the old parts and the old guys.
Yeah,
throw them out.
kick me out quick.
We got all the parts laid out, doors are all in, car's blown apart. Now it's just packing up everything and bringing it back to the Lethal Garage, and then sanding and scuffing the backside of all this stuff, and then she's ready for paint. So that's gonna be the next step. You're not gonna see a video until we're in paint. So yeah, thanks for checking this video out. Until next time guys, see you on the road.